This is Vicki Walker on behalf of ExpertVillage. Today we're making a baby doll sleeping bag. The supplies that we will need for the sleeping bag are fabric and whatever colors you would like, but the ones we'll be using today are the gingham and the polka dotted fabric. I also have coordinating ribbon that we'll use to make the edging around the sleeping bag and a quilted fabric on the inside, so it will be more like a sleeping bag rather than just a baby doll blanket. We'll also need scissors to cut out our fabric and the trim, pins, tape measure, maybe a seam gauge, matching thread, sewing machine, and I have here the baby dolls that we'll be making the sleeping bag for, so we'll make sure that the baby doll sleeping bag is the right size for this baby doll. These are the supplies that we'll be needing in order to make our project, as well as any additional accessories, like maybe a matching pillow. We have the filler, so we can make the matching accessories. These should take care of the supplies that you'll need for this project.